Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. I'm excited to be with you today and bring you a flatbread. This is a fantastic recipe and you can make it with or without gluten. You can choose to use oil at the end or just pass and keep it oil free. It's a wonderful recipe to have on hand. You can use it for so many different things. Today I'm going to feature a curry, but you could also have it as avocado toast, an open-faced sandwich, so many different options, even a pizza base if you wanted, and we even like it with peanut butter and jelly. So however you want to do it, it's up to you. I think you're really going to love this recipe, so let's get into how to make it. You want some warm water, some coconut sugar, some active dry yeast, a little bit of warm milk of choice that's dairy free, I'm going with soy, then some coconut cream, the firm coconut cream off of a full fat coconut milk, or you could use a vegan yogurt. Some flour of choice. Now you can go with a gluten-free blend that I'll show you, or you can go with whole wheat or an all-purpose flour, however you want to go. And then some salt, and you can choose to top it with some oil, garlic, and cilantro, or you can top it any way that you please. To get started, you want to combine the yeast and the coconut sugar in the water and let it foam for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can whisk your dry ingredients together and make a well. Then you want to add the wet to the dry. Stir it until the dough forms and then knead it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a floured surface. Transfer to a bowl that's lightly greased and let it rise covered for 1 hour in a warm place. Then you want to form a disc and separate it into 6 pieces, roll them into a ball. And then you want to shape them into about a 1/4 inch thick and 6 inch wide, or into the best shape that you can. Brush with oil and put on a hot skillet and cook until it bubbles for a couple minutes and flip it, going for 1 to 2 more. And then you can place them on a plate, cover with a towel. And then top them however you please. You can add the garlic to the balance of the oil, brush it on top, sprinkle with cilantro, and serve it with some curry, or you can serve it any way that you want. The curry I'm making today is really simple. This is a simple base, and then you can add extra vegetables, which is what I'm going to do. So you really just need the base of a couple onions, some garlic cloves, some ginger, some chilies, a star of anise, and some cloves, some tomatoes, some masala powder, coriander or cilantro, cumin, turmeric, some bay leaves, some lemon and cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of oil, or you can use vegetable broth or water for oil free. And you can also add extra vegetables. I'm going to add a sweet potato and a red bell pepper, as well as some spinach. So you want to dice your onion fine and prepare all your vegetables. You can combine your chilies, ginger, and garlic and put them either in a food processor or in a blender or in a mortar and make a smooth paste. Then you want to heat your oil in a pan, or you could use the water or the vegetable broth. Add your cloves, star of anise, bay leaves, cinnamon, and once it begins to crackle, then you can add the onions, and the longer you go, the more flavorful this is going to be. Then you want to add your chili, garlic, and ginger paste. Then bring that together for about 30 seconds. And then at this point, you can also add other vegetables if you're using them. Then you want to add your tomatoes and your spices, and then stir it in between each spice. and let it cook covered for as long as you can. If you do 30 minutes, it'll be really good. If you do 60 to 90 minutes, it'll be that much better. Then put a little fresh lemon on top, and you can serve that with rice and naan bread or the flatbread or however you want.